Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to our basic mathematics class. The last class discussed about find the number of divisors. Find the number of divisors of the given number. So today we are discussing about find the sum of all positive divisors of the given number. Find the sum of all positive divisors of the given number. What is the formula for? What is the formula for sum of all positive divisors of a number? Positive divisors of a number. Formula is S of n. S of n, it is called sum of all positive divisors. N is nothing but number of sum of all positive divisors. Formula is S of n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 divided by P2 minus 1 so on. Pn power of P1 power of alpha n plus 1 minus 1 divided by Pn minus 1. This is the sum of all positive divisors of a number. Formula is S of n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 divided by P2 minus 1 so on. Pn power of alpha n plus 1 minus 1 divided by Pn minus 1 where P1 comma P2 comma so on Pn are prime numbers. Alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma so on alpha n r values are power values. P1 comma P2 comma so on Pn values are called prime numbers. Alpha 1 comma alpha 2 comma so on alpha n values are called powers. Now observe here, find the sum of all positive divisors. Sum of all positive divisors of the given number. We need to calculate sum of all positive divisors of the given number is 672. First 672 can be expressed as product of the prime number. 672 can be expressed as product of prime number. How to find the product of prime numbers means by using the division method. Finally we get the product of prime numbers. That's why first we are applying the division method. See the solution. 672 by using the division method, the least prime number is 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Next 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. Next 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. Next 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. So 3 3 7 are 7. Next 7 1 are 7. So when your remainder is 1, we get solve the division. After now write the product of the prime pair. 672 can be expressed as product of the prime numbers. Now product with all the divisors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 7. So now 2 how many times repetition? 5 times 2 power of 5. 3 how many times repetition? 3 power of 1. 7 how many times repetition? 7 power of 1. Now given number 672 can be expressed as product of the prime numbers. 2 comma 3 comma 7 are prime numbers. So 5 comma 1 comma 1 it is called power values. So what I am taking where P1 comma P2 comma so on up to P Pn values are called prime numbers. Now what are the prime numbers? P1 value is 2, P2 value is 3, P3 value is 7. Power values are called alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on alpha n. So alpha 1 value is 5, alpha 2 value is 1, alpha 3 value is 1. Or else comparing with, so we are understanding this one I am writing, comparing with, so n is nothing but number can be expressed as product of the prime number. One is P1 power of alpha 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 into P3 power of alpha 3, so on Pn power of alpha number. But here how many elements is there? Only 3 elements, and means number of elements is equal to 3. That's why P1, P2, P3 are correct. Now comparing with those two elements, in place of P1 what is the element is there? 2. So P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 3, and P3 is equal to 7. Next, power of values. Alpha 1, P1 power of alpha 1, in place of alpha 1 value is 5. Next to alpha 2, in place of alpha 2 what is the value is there? 1. Next to alpha 3. So alpha 3 is equal to what is the value is there? 1. So first given number expressed as product of the prime number. Afterwards write down the P1 value, P2 value, P3 value, alpha 1 value, alpha 2, alpha 3. Now we can substitute the sum of all positive images formula. Now we can apply the formula. So now sum of all the positive divisors is denoted by S of m is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P2 minus 1 into P3 power alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P3 minus 1. How many values we are getting? You can write only so much value only. We are getting P1 value, P2 value, P3 value. That's why I am writing up to P1 up to P3 only. Now substitute the values in this formula. Now S of n is equal to P1. What is the P1 value? 2. P1 value is 2 power alpha 1 value is 5. 5 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 value is 2 minus 1 into P2 value is 3 power alpha 2 value is 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P2 value is 3 minus 1 into P3 value is 3, alpha 3 value is 1. In place of P3 value is 7, in place of alpha 3 value is 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 1. So P1, P2, P3, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, these all values substituted in this formula. Now we have to simplify this value. So now 2 power 5 plus 1 that value is 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 that value is 1 into 3 1 plus 1 that value is 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 value is 2 into 7 power of 1 plus 1 that value is 2 minus 1 divided by 7 minus 1 that value is 6. Next 2 power of 6 what is the value? What is the 2 power of 6 values? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 62 is 32, 32 2 is 64. 64 minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 square value is 9 minus 1 by 2 into 7 square value is 49 minus 1 by 6. Now 64 minus 1 value is 63 by 1 into 9 minus 1 value is 8 by 2 into 49 minus 1 value is 48 by 6. Now elimination 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 8 ja. So we can product with 63 into 4 into 8. That value is 63 into 4 into 8. That value is 2016. So So sum of divisors value is S of n is equal to 2016. This is the solution of this question. So each every question solve like this only. First, the given number expressed as product of the prime number. Afterwards, write down the P1 values, P2 values, P3 and alpha 1 value, alpha 2 value, alpha 3. Those values substitute in the sum of the all positive divisors formula is S of n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 plus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1 into P3 power of alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 by P3 minus 1. This is the formula. Substitute the all the values. Finally, we get sum of all positive divisors values are 2060. This is the solution of the first question. Do you understand, students? How to find the sum of the all positive divisors of the given number? This is the solution of this question. Remaining all the question to same method only. So can I explain next question? Okay. See the next question. The all the questions same like only. See the question number 2. The question number 2 is given 768. 768 can be expressed as product of prime number. That's why by using the division method, that's why 768 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4. Next, 2 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Next, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 3 2 is 6. So after here, 2 3 is 6, remaining 16 is left, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8. Next, 2 1 is 2, remaining 18 is left, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4. Next, 2 9 is 18, remaining 12 is 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, remaining 16 is 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12. Next, 2 only can take. Don't take 3. 2. 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. Now 768 can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Now product with the divisors elements. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. So 2 how many times repetition? 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 3 only 1 time. Now 2 how many times is repetition? 8 times. 3 how many times is repetition? 1 times. How many values? Only 2 values. So means P1 value and P2 value is existed here. So now how many prime numbers are getting? Only 2 prime numbers. First prime number is divided by P1, second prime number is divided by P2. Power values are called alpha values. Alpha 1 is 8, alpha 2 is 1. You know P1 value, P2 value, alpha 1 value, you can write out direct, or else you don't know. Comparing with n is equal to only 2 numbers are existed. P1 power of alpha 1 into P2 power of alpha. Because how many prime numbers are exist here? Only 2 prime numbers. First prime number is P1, second prime number is P2. But powers only 2 powers are exist. One is alpha 1, alpha 2. Now comparing with those 2 values, you write down the P1 value is 2 and the P2 value is 3. The power values are called alpha values. Alpha 1 is 8 and alpha 2 is equal to 1. Now apply the sum of all positive divisors formula is S of n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 by P2 minus 1. Now substitute the P1, P2 and alpha 2 values in this formula. So P1 value is 2, the alpha 1 value is 8 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into P2 value is 3 power of 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So P1 value is 2 power of alpha 1 plus 1. What is alpha 1 value is 8. So 8 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 value is 2 minus 1 into P2. What is the P2 value here? 3. 3 power alpha 2 value is 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Now simplify this one. 8 plus 1 value is 9 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1 into 3 square minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 value is 2. Now, what is the value of 2 power of 9? So that value is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, 128 to the 256, 256 to the 512. So 2 power of 9 value is 512 minus 1 divided by 1 into 3 square value is 9 minus 1 by 2. 512 minus 1 value is 501 into 9 minus 1 value is 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So 511 into 4, that value is 2044. So what is the S of n value? Sum of all two divisors value, sum of all one divisor value is equal to 2044. This is the solution of this question, dear students. 2 power of 9 value is 512. 512 minus 1 is 511 by 1 into 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 value is 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Product with the numerator values. 511 into 4 value is 2400. This is the solution of this question here, students. Up to anybody have doubts? If you have any doubts then please contact me. My mobile number is 830968952. If you have any doubts will be there, please call me. I will clarify your doubts. This is the solution of this question here, students. I think everyone understanding this question also. Now we are going to third question. See the third question. See the third question. Third question also same method only. See the third question. Very easy. All the questions. See the third question. The third question is 6,498. 6,498. First given number can be expressed as product of prime number. That's why by using the division method we get the product of prime numbers. So by using division method, the given number is 6,498. So by using division method, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Now 3 we can take, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9. Next here 3 we can take, 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3. Next is 19. So 19 ja. So 19 1 ja 19. So remaining 99 ja 172. 172. Observe here. 19 ja value is 361. 19 1 ja 19. Now final remainder is 1 we are getting. So stop the division. Now write the prime factorization. So the given number is 6,498 is equal to product with the divisors. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 19 into 19. So now 2 only one time is the repetition. 3 2 times is repetition. 19 is also 2 times is repetition. How many prime numbers we got? Only 3 prime numbers. P1 value is 2, P2 value is 3, P3 value is 19. Power element it is called alpha values. Alpha 1 is equal to 1, alpha 2 is equal to 2, alpha 3 is equal to 2. So comparing with, so if we are understanding, I am writing this formula. No need to write to comparing with n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 into P3 power of alpha 3. Now write down the values. P1 value is 2 and the P2 value is P1 value is 2 and the P2 value is 3 and the P3 value is 19. Now alpha 1 value is 1 and alpha 2 value is 2 and alpha 3 value also 2. Now substitute the sum of divisors formula is S of n is equal to P1 power of alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 minus 1 into P2 power of alpha 2 plus 1 divided by P2 minus 1 into P3 power of alpha 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P3 minus 1. Now substitute the values. What is the P1 value here? 2. What is the alpha 1 value here? 1. So P1 value is 2, alpha 1 value is 1 plus 1 minus 1 divided by P1 value is 2 minus 1 into the P2 value is 3, alpha 2 value is 2. So P2 value is 3, alpha 2 value is 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 into P3 value is 19, alpha 3 value is 2. So 19 power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 19 minus 1. Now simplify this one. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into 3, 2 plus 1 value is 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 value is 2 into 19 power of 2 plus 1, that value is 3 minus 1 divided by 19 minus 1 value is 18. Now simplify this one. 2 square value is 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, 1. 3 cube value is 27 minus 1 by 2 into 19 cube. So what is the 19 cube values? 19 into 19 into 19. 19 into 19 value is 361. 19 into 19 value is 361. 361 into 19. So 9 1 are 9. 9 6 are 54. The left is 5. 9 3 are 27. 27 plus 5 is 32 into 1 6 3 9 4 plus 1 is 5 6 plus 2 8 3 plus 3 6. The we get the values 6859 minus 1 by 18. So 19 pure value is 6859 minus 1 by 18. Now 4 minus 1 value is 3 by 1 into 27 minus 1 value is 26 by 2 into 6859 minus 1 is 6858 divided by 8. Now 3 into 2 1 2 13 3 into 13 into now elimination. So now 18 into 6 hour cancellation. 6 8 5 8 divided by 18. 2 9 ja 18. 2 3 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 9 ja. Next 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 3 3 ja. Next 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9. 3 8 ja means 381. This should come. So 381. 381 is equal to 3 into 13 into 381 value is 14,859. 14,859. But in the textbook they given solution is wrong. In the textbook they given answer is 81,489. That is the wrong in the textbook solution. This is the correct answer is 14,859. The sum of the all the positive divisor value is 14,859. This is the solution of this question here, friends. Up to anybody have doubts with there, please call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay? I think everyone understanding the how to find the sum of all positive divisors of the given number. Okay? So what I have explained was practice in your home. Okay? So if you have any doubts, please ask me. I will explain in the WhatsApp chatting. Okay? Okay, thank you dear friends. What I am explaining was practice in your home. Remaining two courses we will discussing about tomorrow class. Thank you all.